Are you struggling to catch every word in a fast English conversation? Well, buckle up because we're about to turbocharge your listening skills. First up, let's demystify fast English. It's not just speed, it's about rhythm and flow. Understanding this makes all the difference. Next, focus on key words. Not every word is essential. In fast speech, people often emphasize important words while others are spoken quickly or even swallowed. Try shadowing, that's repeating what you hear in real time. It sounds tough, but it's a game changer for your brain's processing speed. And remember, context is your best friend. Even if you miss some words, the context can fill in the blanks. Always keep the bigger picture in mind. Finally, practice makes perfect. Listen to fast-spoken podcasts, watch movies without subtitles, and challenge yourself daily. It's like training for a marathon. Consistency is key. Wrap it up with confidence. You've got this. Your fast English comprehension is just around the corner.